JC Alacon from Team PRCD, Project X, and H12. So here we go. First run is getting started. Waiting for him on the line. Here we go. First run, Sir JC. Watch the light. His first run, Group F. Let's see how we're going to start off this group. Nice and smooth right there. Back in. Minor adjustments. Oh, it messes him up on flipping zone 2, but he saves it. Getting into number 3. Gets in there. Fills it up all the way. Let's see number 4. Just about getting half a car in there. Transitioning number 5. Big angle. Keeps it in the box and across the line. First run, got 86. Good start to Group F. Second run, watch the light. This is an 90 up here. Big flip, big angle. Oh, another correction on the exit. Deep in zone 1, getting into number 2. Fills it up with big angle, but not close to the wall. Number 3 gets close to the wall. Number 4, half a bar once again. Transition to number 5. More conservative there, but exit with big angle. Second round got 86.6. Right, still in the 80s. Third and last qualifying run. Let's go, sir. Watch the light. Last round, let's see what he does here. Smooth again, big flick, fills it up against catches that understeer once again. The transition messed up on into cutting zone number 2, going to number 3. Let's see his transition there. Fills it up once again into number 4. Once again, just about half the car inside their transition and into number 5. A bit of hesitation on the transition, but gets across the line nonetheless.
Last run got 87.2.